In this video, we're going to continue learning about percents, but today we're going to look at a problem a little bit differently. And what's going to happen is I'm going to give you the percent off, and I'm going to give you the sale price of an item, and I'm going to ask you to figure out what the original price was. So what I've given you here is a bar model showing you the situation. So the full bar is the original price that we don't know, and the red section is the 65% off. So what I want us to think about is if I were to pay full price for the item, then I would be paying 100%. If the item is on sale for 65% off, then I'm not paying 65%. So what percent am I paying? And I can figure that out by doing 100 minus 65. I'm actually only paying 35% of whatever the price is. So that's a pretty good deal. So I could think about this in an expression like we've been working on and say, all right, well, if I'm only paying 35%, I would say 35% as a decimal is 0.35. Multiply that by x, which is whatever the original price. And 35% of whatever that original price is would be my sale price, 87.50. And so now I've created myself a one-step equation that will help me to find my original price. And we know that when we're dealing with a one-step equation, in order to solve, I want to get x by itself. So I would divide both sides by 0.35. On the left-hand side, it cancels out. I'm left with x. And then we do the same thing on the right. So divided by 0.35. And I'm simply going to divide. Let me pull up a calculator here. So we're dividing 87.5 by 0.35. And we get x equals 250, which means the original price of this item was $250. It went on sale for 65% off, and its sale price is $87.50. So let's take a look at another example. This time, the item is on sale for 10% off, and its sale price is $157.50. So again, if I were to pay full price for an item, I would be paying 100%. But it's 10% off. So if I'm not paying 10%, then I am paying the remaining 90%. So if I'm paying 90%, 90% as a decimal is 0.90. We don't know what we're paying 90% of because that's the missing piece. So it's 0.90 times some number x. And the answer is the sale price, which we were told is $157.50. And again, I've created a one-step equation here. So now to solve that equation, I need to get x by itself. So I divide by 0.90 on the left. This crosses out and leaves me with an x. And then I divide by 0.90 on the right. And whatever I get to as my answer here, that's going to represent the original price of this item. So if I put this into my calculator, 157.50 divided by 0.90, that tells me the original price was $175. So a $175 item that's on sale for 10% off would come out to be $157.50. We're going to do one more example together. And this time we have some item that's on sale for 30% off, and the sale price is $84. So again, if I were to pay full price for the item, then I would be paying 100% of the price. If it's 30% off, then I'm not paying that 30. So 100% minus 30%, I am paying 70% of the price. So 70% or 0.70 of some number times x is equal to our sale price of 84. And now I'm going to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide by 0.70. Come on the other side, divide by 0.70. This cancels, I'm left with x, and we just divide. So 84 divided by 0.70 is 120. So an item that costs $120 is on sale for 30% off, and the sale price is 84. So that makes sense, because if I were to find 10% of 120, that'd be $12 off, which means 30% off would be $36 off. And 120 minus 36 would get me 84. So that's a logical answer. At this point, I'd like you to pause the video and try these 3 problems on your paper. And when you're done, go ahead and press play, and I will show you the correct answers. Alright, so you now have those problems worked out on your paper. I'm going to move this for you so you can now check your work. You'll see the purple is the expression, and then the orange is the original price. Let me know if you have any questions.